bagong-bago, na-update muli, ni Hopi, sa kanyang IG account. As usual, di na busy, ang love of my life ni Hopi, at naka-heart react na. Ang supportive boyfriend, ever since ni Hopi, na si Ken. Samantala, sulit na sulit, ang adventure ng dalaga, sa Milan, Italy. Finally trick-ang ride, a hot air balloon, of my bucket list. Thanks for this, amazing experience team. Core memory, unlocked, celebrities, and influencers, from PH, and Indonesian, invited by Harlan Holden, sobrang nag-enjoy ang Queen sa adventures nito sa Milan, Italy, with the team. Panoorin pa natin guys, ang iba't iba pang ganap, kay Hopi, at sa kanyang mga kasamahan. At sa ngayon, Liza Soberano, and Renz, ang isa sa fave mamas ni Hopi, still in Milan, Italy. Samantala, ang iba nitong kasamahan, ay nakauwi na ng Pinas.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't